Hi, Steve Garner with Russ Darrow in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin, and I'm here to go over the manufacturer's warranty and the extended service contracts that we offer. Okay, starting with the warranty that the manufacturer gives you, it gives you a powertrain warranty which covers your transmission, your engine, your drive axle, and your transfer case. Okay, 10 years, 100,000 miles on that. You also, just like Honda and Toyota, have a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, which covers everything, okay, up to 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. And then we have a 5-year 60, which covers a lot of little knickknacks and basic defects and what have you. But the most important thing is the 3-year 36,000 mile warranty. Now that 3-year 36,000 mile warranty, if you plan on keeping the car for longer than 3 years, you can take that warranty and match it just like with the powertrain warranty to 10 years, 100,000 miles. Now you would get 3 days hotel, you would get towing with concierge service, and you would also get a rental car if you break down more than 100 miles away from the front door of your house. Those are things that are important if you want to just take your car and not have to use a rental car and enjoy your own personal car on a long distance trip. So pretty much the warranty, 3 years 36 will cover everything on the vehicle. The 10-year 100,000 miles, transmission, engine, transfer case, drive axle, and then the extended coverage, again, will give you 10 years on the 336, which is your comprehensive items, or 100,000 miles. So it takes your 336 and 560 out to 10 years, so you pay for nothing out of pocket if the vehicle has an issue outside of those terms. My name is Steve Garner. I'm here at Russ Darrow, Wauwatosa, Wisconsin. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to get back to me.